Hi lovelies, I'm going today to do a set of Bonfire night nails or Guy Fawkes nails, whatever you want to call it, with stamping. I'm going to use stamping. I'm going to do fireworks on. So I'm going to do them as a set of press-ons because we're into October and we've got about a month till Bonfire night, so I want to get some on the site. So I'm doing them as long coffin for this one. So I've sized them all up. And I'm going to use as the background, instead of black for a change, I'm going to use this, which is milky jelly from Born Pretty. This is one of these lovely 15ml bottles, so I like using 15ml when I'm doing my press-ons. And this is milky jelly, so this is number 11. I'm also going to put a bit of glitter in the background, and this is one of the HEMA-free. They've got quite a few HEMA-free ones now. This is 22, so they've got some plain colours and some glitter, so I'm just going to scatter a little bit of that about. I'm going to use the stamping polishers. I think I'm going to use these 4. Not sure as yet. That one's an older style bottle, and that one, so they're newer bottles, but they're a little bit bigger look, so you get a bigger size now, but there's still similar colours on the website anyway, so I'll put you the links to everything in. I'll just start with the thumbs. So all I do when I'm doing my press-ons, these are already sort of etched or frosted back and front, so I've just been wiping my finger all over it, so I've got to wipe it again, because I always give it a wipe with alcohol first, because I've taken the little niblets off the end. So I'll let that dry, and then what I'll do is, I don't need to buff, but I'm going to give it a coat of acid-free primer, base coat, and then we'll come back and put some colour on. So this is, like I said, number 11, milky jelly, and it's cross between a navy and a purple, I think. So the milky jellies come in ice. No, start again. The jellies come in an ice jelly, a semi, and a milky, and then there's also a glitter one. There's a bit of fluff. Always a bit of fluff in winter with the fluffy jumpers. Do you know, when I'm doing nails, I think I really ought to wear my old chef's jacket that I've got when I used to do wedding cakes, which I wore simply because you didn't get fluff in your fondant. Right, so that's how sheer it is with one. So I'm going to give these all 2 coats of this. Right, I'm just doing second coat. I was completely out of frame. This is the trouble when I zoom in so much. So yeah, forgive me if it jumps. I'm still getting used to this new light and having to look round it or through it. That might be easier. So I've just got a little bit of this number 22 HEMA-free gel on my pad, and I've got an ombre brush, and I'm just going to put little bits all over it. So I don't want too much, I just want them scattered. So that's why I want to use this one that's already mixed in. I'm just going to show you on this one. If you look at my little finger, it's quite dry. This HEMA-free doesn't seem to have much of a tacky layer, if anything at all, really. And also, because I've pulled it really thin, I think there might be a few brush strokes in it. So I can either top coat and buff, or I can just do another coat of base coat. So that's what I'm going to do. So one, to get rid of the sort of lines that I've made with that ombre brush, even it all out, and also so I've got a little tacky layer, because I think it helps me with my stamping. So I've zoomed out a bit because otherwise there's no chance you're going to be in frame. I've got some fluff in there. So I'll take this off. Not tried this stamping plate yet, but I got on all right last time I stamped, but, you know, if you don't practice every day with something, sometimes you're rubbish. So let's wait and see. Yeah, so I've got all these fireworks, Catherine wheels. You can do them on full nails if you want, but I want to do the dotted ones. Actually, that's nice, but my nails are longer than them. So, oh, they've got a little bank of fireworks there as well. I like that. Right, I'm going to do a pink. I know, well, that's what I'm going for. So I've split all these up and I'm going to get myself prepared and ready. So let's try this one. I need my roller. Lovely. Oh, yes. Happy with that. I'll do a yellow. Oh, smashing. Oh, I like this already. And a blue. And I want to overlap that a bit. There. So I like it. I like it. Right, this one. We'll have a red. A blue up there. And now a yellow. So I've got to clean off because I haven't got any. Oh, I can have that one. Smashing. So I've done these the fireworks and top coated them. So there's a few more here. So just different coloured fireworks in. And now I want to do a fire, so I've just been playing without the camera on, and I like it, so I'm going to show you. So I've just got kind of, actually it looks better through that lens than it does to my eyes. Yeah, so different colours I'm going to build up. I'm going to start with this mix, which is a little bit of painting gel, silver glitter painting gel, and a couple of drops of the, not that one, that one, a couple of drops of that stamping mixing oil, and I'm just going to start that in the background, so it's a bit like wispy smoke going up. So this you have to cure as well, so I'm just going to start with this one in the background. Didn't scrape that enough. That's it. There. So just a few wispy sort of flames going up at the back. That's it. So I've also pulled out this one, which I'd forgotten I'd got, the Flowing Clouds. I don't know what number it is now because it'll be in a newer bottle, but it's like the frosty white. And also, what I didn't realise I've got this, but I tried it, but it don't really show up on this background colour, but that's like a shimmery purple, which is really nice. So now that's done, get that cleaned off, and I'm going to do, I'm going to do some orange, I think, in the background. Put that away to clean. There we go. Yeah, so I'm going to have some orange in the background. This one perhaps. Don't really matter about the bottom because I'm building my layers up from the bottom. So this one here, I'll put that flame on that side. A little bit more orange, I think. I'll do a bit of this one. I do like a plate that's got things all over it you can use without cleaning. Oh, this is Nicole Diary. It's number 293 in the Born Pretty stampings. Yes, that's enough orange. So then I'm going to do red. Obviously these are air dry, so keep screwing the tops up. Red, I'm going to do some of this from down here. Not showing you, am I? There we go. Nice. We'll have the red in between. That's it. And there. Okay, red. And now I'm going to do yellow. But I need to clean at this point, so I've got some acetone in a sprayer. that. Leave it long. And then I'll probably do something that's completely unnecessary, but in my head I've got to do it because as that dries it's going to go right really funny. So, see it drying all cloudy. So then I get some kitchen roll and some alcohol. I'm going to go all over it with alcohol. That's it, and before that dries, I'm on a kitchen roll. That's it, I'm happy working like that. Yeah. I was going to see if I need any more red on it. No. No, that'll do. And then the bottom one is this shimmery colour. And I use these tiny flames on that heart for that. So that's it. That'll do. Is that my fire done? So I'll just top coat this one. I'm going to do the little finger in exactly the same as this fire. So I will show you a picture at the end if you still want to watch. And don't forget, I will leave you the links for everything so that it's handy for you in the description box. But if you do buy from Born Pretty, please don't forget the discount code because that helps us both. And it's a whacking 22%. So please like and subscribe if you've enjoyed it. And if you won't mind, if you could share the video, that would be absolutely fabulous. And I'd love you for that. So thank you very much. And I'll just leave you with these photos. And I'll see you next time. Take care. Love you loads. Bye.